Hello learners, network and web application scanning in organization. In this section, we are going to take a look at various points like web application vulnerability scanning process, how you can scan a web application, how you can do port scanning, network vulnerability scanning process, and WordPress website scanning process, means how you can scan a WordPress website using Kali Linux. So first we are proceeding to the first video of the section 4, which is IP scanning and port scanning process. In this video, we are going to take a look at a couple of points. First of all, basics of IP address scanning in organization, means how you can find out the live host in a network. Second, how you can find out the open ports in a network or in a computer system. So first of all, we are proceeding to IP address scanning procedure. So IP address scanning is the first process to find out available live host in a network. Yes, if you want to find out how many systems are live in this network, so we need to address IP address scanning procedure. Second, how you can find out there are some softwares available, like you can see in the second point, Angry IP Scanner, Advanced IP Scanner, SuperScan, SoftPerfect Network Scanner, etc. And these tools can provide information like live host, means how many systems are live, their MAC address and TTL values, etc. So first of all, we will address that how we can find out the live host in the network, and I will use a software. The software name is SoftPerfect Network Scanner, and you can easily download it from internet. It is freely available. I repeat it again, SoftPerfect Network Scanner, and I'm gonna use it right now to find out the open host or open computers in my network. So let's try out. So here you can see on the screen that SoftPerfect Network Scanner, and it is generally used to find out the live host in a network, and we are going to use it right now. So I'm also connected with the network, and I'm gonna find out the live hosts or live systems in my network. So here you can see that there are two blocks. One is the initial IP address and second is the last IP address. Means if you want to scan 100 systems, so you can put the first IP address here and the last IP address here. It will find out the live host in between these two IP addresses. So first of all, I'm gonna find out my IP address. So go to command prompt and type ipconfig. Enter, and here's my IP address, 172.20.10.2. So you can type 172.20.10.1 to 254 is the range of the IP address, and click on start scanning. It will take just a couple of seconds to find out the information, find out the live host in your network easily. So you can see on the screen that there are two systems in my network. So this is my IP address that you can see. This is my system host name, and this is the router, or you can see gateway. So you can see there are two systems available in the network, and it has also showed you the MAC address of these two systems with response time and the host name also. So it is a perfect example that how you can find out the live host in a network which contains thousands of systems. So first of all, go into that network, run this tool and find out the live host in the network. Either you use SoftPerfect Network Scanner, you can also use Angry IP Scanner, SuperScan, there are so many. They all work same to find out the live host in a network. Next, we are proceeding to port scanning process. We have found out how you can find the live host in a network. Now, if I want to find out the open ports in a system, then how we can find it? So a port scan is a series of messages sent by someone attempting to break into a computer to learn which computer network services, each associated with its well-known port number the computer works. It means they want to find out the number of services, the number of ports which are open, so that they can try to attack on those open ports. Like 21, FTP is open, so we can try to hack FTP. Second point, port scanning, a favorite approach of computer hacker obviously, gives the assailant an idea where to probe for weakness. Essentially, a port scan consists of sending a message to each port one at a time. And which tool we can use to find out the open ports? There are a couple of tools like Nmap and Zanmap. These are same tools. Nmap is the command line version of the tool, and Zanmap is the graphical user interface tool. It's used to port scanning in networks and web applications. And we will take a look at these tools in Kali Linux. So we need to open the Kali Linux, and then we can open both of them to find out the open ports in target system. So let's open Kali Linux first. See on the screen that we have opened Kali Linux and Windows operating system in virtual machine, VMware workstation. I'm gonna find out the open ports of Windows from Kali Linux. So we have Nmap and Zanmap tools are available on Kali Linux, and we are gonna find out the open ports of Windows target system. So first of all, I need to find the IP address of Windows. So let's go and check it, that what is the IP address of Windows operating machine. So just type ipconfig, and you can see here the IP address 192.168.211.129. So go to Kali Linux, click on applications, click on information gathering, and you can find out two tools, Nmap and Zanmap here. Zanmap is the GUI version, Nmap is the command line version. So we are gonna look on both of them. So you can see that I have opened the terminal of Kali Linux, and here I'm gonna use Nmap to find out the open ports in Windows operating system. So how you can find out? Just type Nmap space the IP address of Windows operating system, which is 192.168.211.129 is the IP address, and hit enter. And after hitting enter, it will start scanning the ports of Windows operating system, and it will list all the open ports here on the terminal. So let's check it. Hit enter. So it has started the scanning, and here we go. You can see the open ports. These are the port numbers, and these are the state, is it open or closed, and these are the services running on the port. So you can see here that these all are open ports in the Windows machine. 135, 139, NetBIOS, SMB is also open, and some other unused ports are also open. You can see the MAC address is also shown of Windows operating machine. So you can see that the host is up, means Windows machine is up. First of all, it has started pinging, and then after that it has scanned all the ports and showed you the open ports of target system. So it's really easy to find out the open ports of a target system using Nmap. So there is also GUI version of Nmap, which is Zanmap. So we will also take a look at that. So here you can click on the applications in information gathering and click on Zanmap. Here, same thing in target, just put the target IP address. This is the target IP address, and I don't want to do intense scanning. I want to do quick scan because I just want to know about the open ports, and hit scan button. So it has also started and you can see that it has also showed you the same ports which the Nmap have showed you. So the same thing is going on in Zanmap. The same number of ports, and first of all it has also started with the ping, and then it has found out the open ports of Windows operating system, which is our target operating system. So either you use Nmap or Zanmap, they are different but they are same. Because different because one is command line and one is GUI, but same because they are same tool. They will give you the same result. So to perform port scanning in any network, you can use either Nmap or Zanmap system.